Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we have a limited edition Marvel shoelace. So this shoelace is made by a company called Loot Crate, as you guys can see right over there. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm very excited to see what Marvel shoelaces look like. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the box because it looks cool. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the shoelace. So it says Marvel in here, very nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's a sticker. I'm gonna keep the sticker. So this is a Marvel sticker. So this is, let's keep this right over there. So this is the shoelace itself. So obviously it's pretty long. Yeah. So it's one pair of shoelaces for two shoes, as you guys can see. The design is really faint, so you can't really see the details. But yeah. So yeah, guys, that wraps up for this video. And yeah, until next time, peace out.